how to create Zelle account. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create Zelle account. So in order to create Zelle account, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to go ahead and install the application. When you're done installing the application, click the get started button from the home page. Then it's gonna ask you to enter in the phone number or the phone number that you wish to register with. Go through it and enter in the phone number. And now go through all of these terms and conditions, and if you're sure about it, then mark on it and click the continue button. So as you do that, it's going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and link your bank account. So according to your preference, go ahead and type in the bank account that you wish to link and then click the continue button. Here you need to go ahead and tap on the login button. You have to go ahead and log in into your online banking account so that you could link your account. After you're done adding the bank account, now you can go ahead and type in the confirmation code or the verification code and click on verify. When you do that, you'll be taken to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account, and that's basically how you can create your Zelle account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.